Here we are making the best Nigerian Egusi soup. Here we are using ugu, vegetable and bitter leaf together. Bitter leaf, ugu, both of them are being cut into small pieces. You can see that. I'm cutting them into pieces. After cutting the bitter leaf, it's also washed. Prepare the dry pepper, prepare more, prepare the meat, wash them clean and dice them into small pieces. You can see the dry pepper, dry fish here. You can see the pomo, the meat, all prepared. Wash the vegetables. Now get ready the powdered egusi, which is already prepared. Now we put the pot on fire. We also boiled some water. Now add the boiled water to the egusi to soak the egusi. Prepare the onions. Dice the onion into small pieces. You can see that right here. After dicing the onions, we also add palm oil onto the hot pot on fire. Allow the palm oil to be very hot but not to be fried. After it is very hot, next is to add the onions. You can see the onions being added to the hot palm oil on fire. Add your prepared pepper, tomato, tatashe, everything, then add the soaked egusi, which is melon, prepared now. Then add your fish, add pomo, add meat after like 10 minutes. Add salt to taste. In another 5 minutes, add seasoning that you desire to taste. Allow everything to cook together once again for like 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Then add your vegetables, add the bitter leaf, add the ugu vegetable. Allow it to cook for about 5 minutes, then it's done.